Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch tree. First, let's establish the foundational elements. Start by lightly sketching the main trunk, ensuring it has a natural taper from bottom to top. Then, extend 2 or 3 primary branches from the upper half of the trunk, aiming for organic, slightly curved lines. Remember, these are just guides, so keep your hand loose and your lines soft. This initial step sets the stage for all the intricate details to come. Now let's develop the branching structure. From your primary branches, extend numerous secondary branches, making sure they fork and spread naturally. Think about how real trees grow, with branches getting progressively thinner as they move away from the trunk. Introduce slight bends and twists to avoid a stiff appearance. Aim for a balanced distribution, but don't make it perfectly symmetrical. Nature is wonderfully imperfect. Next, we'll bring the tree to life with foliage and texture. Lightly outline the general shape of your tree's canopy, considering its species. Then, use small, overlapping circular or squiggly strokes to create the impression of leaf clusters, focusing on areas where light and shadow would naturally fall. For the trunk and larger branches, add subtle vertical lines and irregular marks to suggest bark texture, giving your tree a more grounded and realistic feel. Finally, let's add depth and refinement through shading. Decide on a consistent light source and apply darker tones to the areas opposite the light, such as the underside of branches and within dense foliage. Use cross-hatching or stippling for varied shadow effects. Gently erase any unnecessary guidelines and sharpen key outlines. A well-shaded sketch tree can convey a sense of 3 dimensions and natural beauty, making your artwork truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.